Hey there, welcome to Spidey Educates. If you feel like your money disappears every month, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share the 5 biggest personal finance mistakes most people make and, more importantly, how you can fix them to take control of your finances. If you're serious about building wealth, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join the Spidey community for weekly tips that simplify money management. Mistake number 1, not tracking your expenses. Let me tell you a quick story. My friend Rowan earns $50,000 per month, but by the end of each month, he was broke and had no idea where his money went. Sound familiar? Here's what Rowan did to fix it. He downloaded a simple app called Walnut and started logging every rupee he spent. Within a month, he realized he was spending $8,000 on food delivery alone. Once he saw the numbers, it was easy to cut back. Pro tip: use apps like Walnut, Money Manager, or even a simple notebook to write down your expenses. Trust me, when you track your money, you'll be surprised how much you can save. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. Let's say you're earning $30,000. If you're spending $29,999 every month, you're walking on a financial tightrope. Why? Because life is unpredictable. What if there's a medical emergency or your phone breaks? Here's the fix. Build an emergency fund, even if it's just $500 a week. In 6 months, you'll have $12,000 saved, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Tell me in the comments, do you have an emergency fund? If not, start today. Third, using credit cards recklessly. Many people treat credit cards as free money, but they're not. Did you know that most credit cards charge over 30% interest annually if you miss a payment? Let me share a real example. Sarah, a friend of mine, bought a fancy gadget for $30,000 on her credit card. She missed the payment deadline and ended up paying an extra $7,000 in interest over a year. Solution: use credit cards smartly. Pay your bill in full every month to avoid interest. Better yet, use your card for planned expenses only, like groceries, where you know you can repay immediately. Mistake number 4, not setting financial goals. Let's be honest, if you don't know what you're saving for, saving feels pointless. Imagine you're saving $5,000 a month but don't know why. You'll eventually spend it on something impulsive. Here's the fix: write down your goals. Want to save on like for a vacation? Set a timeline. Want to invest $10,000 in mutual funds? Plan it today. A clear goal motivates you to save with purpose. Finally, mistake number 5, ignoring investments. Saving alone isn't enough. Inflation eats away at your money. For example, unlike saved in your bank today will be worth less in 10 years due to rising costs. The solution: start investing. Even if it's a small amount, you can begin with as little as $500 in a mutual fund or $1,000 in stocks. Apps like Zeroda and Grow make investing simple for beginners. Remember, the earlier you start, the more your money grows thanks to compound interest. Let's do a quick recap of the 5 mistakes you need to avoid. 1. Not tracking your expenses. 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. 3. Using credit cards recklessly. 4. Not setting financial goals. 5. Ignoring investments. Which of these mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Spidey Educates for more practical tips to grow your wealth.